Imagine this. You've planned for months, your bags are packed, the cruise terminal is buzzing with excitement, and just when you're about to check in, someone looks at your paperwork and says, "Sorry, you can't board." Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, it happens more often than you think, and not for the reasons you expect. In this video, we're going to reveal 17 shocking ways travelers get denied boarding, fined, or permanently banned from cruising, plus one bonus mistake that could cost you thousands, even after your vacation ends. Let's make sure this never happens to you. 1. Bringing weed or illegal substances on board. Even if it's legal where you live, cruise ships follow federal maritime law. One couple brought edibles on their honeymoon and got stopped by drug-sniffing dogs. They missed their cruise, were fined, and permanently banned. Lesson: what's legal at home is not necessarily legal at sea too. You miss the muster drill. The muster drill is mandatory by international law. If you hide in your cabin or head to the bar instead, expect a visit from security, not a pina colada. Just show up, check in, and you're good. 3. A simple typo can sink you. A wrong birth date, misspelled name, or mistyped passport number can trigger immigration red flags. These tiny errors can lead to instant denial at the port. Always double check everything. 4. You seem unfit to travel. Even if you feel fine, visible symptoms like coughing, limping, or bandages can cause medical staff to flag you. Bring a fit-to-sail letter if needed, and notify the cruise line ahead of time. 5. Your reservation was hacked. Post a screenshot of your cruise ticket on social media, and someone could cancel or modify your reservation. It happens. Guard your reservation number like your bank PIN. 6. You're wearing the wrong clothes. Some destinations like Jamaica, Barbados, or Antigua ban civilians from wearing camouflage. Wearing offensive or inappropriate clothing can also get you flagged. Research local laws before you pack. 7. You filed a credit card dispute. If you dispute a cruise charge and get a refund, you might get banned from that cruise line even years later. Try resolving issues with the cruise company first. 8. Your ID doesn't match your ticket. Faded passports, name mismatches, or damage to your ID can all lead to boarding issues. And if you're traveling with a child who's not yours, you'll need a notarized letter. No exceptions. 9. You're too young to cruise alone. Most cruise lines require you to be 21 plus or travel with someone 25 plus. Just because you booked it at 18 doesn't mean you'll be allowed to board. 10. Your past catches up with you. Even a decades-old DUI or minor legal issue can make you inadmissible to certain countries. If you can't enter a port, the cruise line may deny you as well. Always check and apply for waivers if needed. 11. Hygiene issues equals denied entry. Cruise lines reserve the right to deny boarding if a guest poses a health or comfort risk, including hygiene-related medical conditions. It's harsh, but it happens. Contact the accessibility team before sailing. 12. You got bumped from your own cabin. Sometimes cabins get overbooked or pulled for last-minute maintenance. If you booked a guarantee room, you may be at risk. Book early and check in quickly to secure your spot. 13. Your social media posts could backfire. Cruise lines have zero tolerance for threatening, offensive, or aggressive behavior, even online. If your posts raise red flags, they can deny you before you even board. 14. You didn't meet final payment deadlines. Even if you paid a deposit, missing the final deadline means your reservation could be automatically canceled without warning. Set calendar reminders and pay on time. 15. Throwing anything overboard. Even a cigarette butt can get you fined. Cruise ships follow strict MARPOL laws, and tossing anything into the ocean is considered a serious environmental crime. Security cameras will catch you. 16. Getting into fights, even verbal ones. You don't have to throw a punch to get banned. Loud arguments, drama in public areas, or causing a scene can label you a risk. Cruise security monitors everything. 17. Damaging cruise property, even by accident. Kick a chair, crack a glass table. Even minor damages can lead to serious consequences. Ships are expensive to maintain, and you break it, you pay. And if it's a safety risk, you're banned. Bonus: your insurance may not cover you. Many travel insurance policies won't protect you if you are denied boarding due to typos, expired documents, or criminal history. Always read the fine print before assuming you're covered. Cruise lines don't play around when it comes to safety, legal compliance, or passenger behavior. But if you double-check your details, respect the rules, and act responsibly, you'll be just fine. Better to wave from the deck than get left behind at the pier. Like this video? Subscribe to Traveladora 228 for more real-world travel tips and cruise secrets. And hey, double check that passport, just in case.